The universe had a beginning, but how will it all end? Scientists have been trying to answer this question for decades, and the truth is, there are some terrifying possibilities. From the universe ripping itself apart to a sudden quantum catastrophe, we could be heading toward an unavoidable doomsday. So buckle up, because here are 10 ways the universe could come to an end. 10. The Big Crunch. What if the universe stopped expanding and started collapsing? That's the idea behind the Big Crunch, where gravity eventually pulls everything back together, crushing galaxies, stars, and planets into a single, infinitely dense point. It could even trigger a new Big Bang, creating an endless cycle of destruction and rebirth. 9. The Big Freeze, Heat Death. Now, instead of collapsing, what if the universe just kept expanding forever? Over trillions of years, stars would burn out, black holes would evaporate, and all energy would be evenly spread out. That means no more light, no more heat, no more life. Just an empty, frozen void. 8. The Big Rip. If dark energy keeps accelerating the universe's expansion, things could get out of control. Galaxies would fly apart, stars would disintegrate, and eventually, atoms themselves would be torn to shreds. The universe wouldn't just end. It would be ripped apart at the atomic level. 7. Vacuum decay. This one is terrifying because it could happen at any moment. Right now, the universe exists in what scientists call a false vacuum. But if a more stable state suddenly forms, a bubble of destruction could expand at the speed of light, erasing everything in its path. We wouldn't even see it coming. 6. The Big Bounce. What if the universe is stuck in an infinite loop? Some scientists think the universe expands, collapses, and explodes back into existence over and over again. If that's the case, we might be living in just one version of an endless cycle. 5. Cosmic collision. Our universe might not be alone. There could be other universes out there, and if one of them crashed into ours, the energy release could completely rewrite the laws of physics, turning reality into something we can't even comprehend. 4. Black hole takeover. Right now, black holes are slowly swallowing up stars and planets. But what if they just kept going? Over an incomprehensible amount of time, black holes could consume everything, merging into one final, supermassive black hole before slowly evaporating into nothing. 3. The Big Slurp. Similar to vacuum decay, the Big Slurp could happen if the Higgs field, the energy field that gives particles mass, suddenly changes. If that happens, every law of physics could break down instantly. We're talking about a total reboot of reality, and we wouldn't survive the update. 2. The end of time. What if time itself just stopped? Some theories suggest that once the universe reaches a certain state of equilibrium, there would be no more movement, no more events, no more change. It wouldn't be destruction. It would just be an eternal pause. 1. The Great Unknown. The scariest possibility? We don't know. The universe could have an ending we can't even imagine, something beyond our understanding of physics, something no scientist has even theorized yet. Maybe the universe won't end at all, or maybe we'll never see it coming. So, how do you think the universe will end? Will it freeze? Collapse? Rip itself apart? Let me know in the comments. And if you love mind-blowing space content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next deep dive into the unknown.